You're right in front of the sun, I can't see shit.
Say, Coop, turn around a sec.
Coop, turn around. Still shoot people.
Yes. See red PC! I can't see anything, that sun's a killer. Oh Christ.
He's shooting that way. I'm 15 metres.
Sarah?
Yeah.
You alright, pal? Just hold me gun out there for you, Magaz, you know. Right, now that's just mean. Where's my Sky TV and my sports? Oh yeah, Wi-Fi.
You can actually turn it back so you can get better reception on your 5G.
Hey! My glasses are going blurry again.
Right.
Fucking does me nothing. And that sun is not helping.
Not at all.
I can't fucking see a thing. I'm just gonna walk straight into enemy fire.
Look at these big fuck off mushrooms, dude. Look at these guys. Whoa.
Damn. Guess we're having mushroom soup for tea.
Airsoft, it's for fun guys. No? Dad jokes? Alright, fine.
I was asking for mushroom soup.
What?
Mushroom soup, you fucking minger.
Hey, it's a good seller on van, you know.
Is it?
Yeah?
Just mushroom on its own?
Yeah, proper mushroom soup. We like obviously.
Not like cauliflower and mushroom or something?
What?
Not like some other thing and mushroom, just mushroom.
Potato in it and that, and onions.
How much is that?
What?
How much?
We do like 120 or 160 with the balm.
Alright, cool. If you want mushroom soup, net his van.
Everybody's welcome.
Except blue team. Bunch of cunts.
Yeah. Yeah, blue team can fuck off. Starve. It's those little windowy bits they keep shooting out of.
Yeah, they're prone to doing that, aren't they? Right, I'm going to push up to this next log and see what I can see.
Do you want me to give you some cover and fire?
Yes, you want.
Did you just say that you're doing that then? They're just, oh, little kiddies. Fucking hell. You get caught up on the kids, don't you?
Turn it this way. Gravity fed, so it always has to be that way.
Yeah.
Wind it like fuck. Let me take off. Wind.
Let him have a bit of fun in a minute. I'll walk that way and you can shoot him in the back if you want.
You can murder this guy in a minute. There you go.
Okay, shoot me if you want.
But I can't even.
Don't walk out of cover, you might still get shot. There you go. Well done, kid.
Thank you.
Right, is it working fine?
Yeah.
Cool, let's go murder somebody. Tell you what, dude. All that talk about mushroom soup's got me hungry.
Don't forget, Red, we've got infinite lives. Just keep pushing. Just keep pushing.
You doing it? Yeah. Right, I'll get you one.
It's one of them. To be fair, yeah.
To be fair.
With as good as it is, unless you're gonna zero it into a scope, to be fair. The iron sights are just as good.
Me, actually, to be fair. To be fair.
Oh, I nearly took a fucking Marshall then. Kid's still not taking these hits. One life, because this guy won't take a fucking hit. But I'll take mine.
The honourable thing, Coop.
Giving mine.
See that one guy there? Finally! Coming back in. Oh, hit.
You dead?
Yeah.
Want me to bomb up?
Yeah. Go for a pee.
This is where a plumber snapped his AK off. Came running down there and he fell around here. Yeah, man. Fucking hilarious. It still works, like the stock were hanging off, but the battery was still attached. His sight reel were like all over the place. He just put the mag back in, cleaned the shit out the barrel and just put it on auto and carried on.
Did it,
Yeah.
yeah?
You work, you fucking go home, and then you just fucking get up next morning and work again.
Let's not talk about working, it's Sunday.
Yeah. This is why we're here, because the fucking work is drove us to it. Oh no! Yes. Don't even point to get him.
Game over!
Yes, sir! the guy on the left, Magaz. The guy on your left is the one that won it for us. Yes, sir. Heedy do, matey.
Expended almost all of my ammunition.
All good. I love it when it's like that.
Oh, dude. Just realised I've just been twatting a marshal in the face.
Whoa, nope. Howdy doodly, fellas. What we got here then?
Some enemies, guys.
Got some enemies. Where are we looking?
Up there.
There's one fella stopped us get to embassy and I can knock out with a pistol.
Yep, no worries.
If anyone stops.
Oh yeah, I see.
He keeps putting his hand up, but I don't know if he's smaller or what.
Helps if we put mag in.
Yeah, good call, Kip.
I heard that clonk clonk of emptiness. So basically, we're all fishing a barrel for a sniper out there somewhere. Yeah, I bet he's in a good spot. Sniper got me then. That motherfucker, Wildstang. Oh, I'm gonna feel that later. Jesus, I can't see a fucking thing with that sun. Oh, my bum, I'm being hit. My bum got shot. They can't beat a hot diggity dog. Can't see him because of the fucking sun. Oh, they've played a blinder. Just right where it's sun is, you can't fucking see them. They've got a good spot here. Oh, that one's a ringer stinger.
Oh, a ring stinger? Right in the bum hole. Ah, there's a tree there. Nobody saw that. I think I got away with it.
It's just been one of those days. We've either had the sun glare or the fucking uphill. So I mean, fucking cardio's gone, mate. I have a fucking idea where that. Oh, hit. Fucking hell. Ah, can't even see that one guy. Fucking hell. The seat.
They're just operator as fuck, mate.
Yeah, got good gaming chairs.
Wall hacks.
Oh, hacks, love it.
Cool. 5 minutes. We're touching cloth, boys.
Touching cloth. Come on, boys. Let's push. My bullets are just fucking bending.
Wind, mate. It's wind, innit?
I can hear one, but I can't fucking see it. They've got some proper good little slots there, haven't they? Good game, Captain. Good game. There's always that one though, and I always let it get to me, and I know I shouldn't. So I can get over the kids not taking the risks, but I can't. I don't like professionals shooting you in the head when they're told not to. They've got him. Oh, come on. Yeah, you don't mind when you've inflicted the pain. If you don't want to move it, that's fine. Just keep taking the shots. How easy is this? Just stand here looking like a twonk. Whoa, he's moved up the hill. Oh, come on.
This makes me want to cry.
What?
Cut that cunt out. Resolder it.
Yeah.
Oh, dickhead tree. Tell you what, boys. This hill can eat a big bag of dick.
Oh, hit, fuck, shit.
Good auto-tune that, turn it into a song.
I literally haven't even put a mag in. I'm going to do it again, take my first few shots and realise, fuck, mag. I did it earlier, I went that way. Look, there's an enemy, back. Oh, fuck, 1 minute.
I've actually seen someone that lad.
Woohoo! I know we've had the sun glare this morning and then it's fucking hill. I'll be dead by the time I get home.
That game ended the draw for the second.
Technically, if there was a second in it, we still won by a second. It doesn't matter if it was an inch or a mile.
It was the exact same time.
I've moved into the shittest position.
I can't tell if they're blue. Oh, the blue. Oh, massive. I can't see shit. Oh, fuck, ow. Fucking hell. How's he behind the netting? You're not allowed to be behind the netting.
Nobody fucking shooting that guy. Come on, boys.
He was stood in the safe
Fucking matter,
zone.
shoot him.
He was stood in the safe zone. I'm gonna fucking shoot someone in the safe zone. It was.
He tried to shoot me, walked back behind him.
Bull crap. I spat me dummy out on right now. How's that not hitting him? Fucking hell, 15, 20 later. I can't see shit with that sun.
Oh, fucking hell.
One of us did. Sit down, boy.
Right, that bit of cover there.
Genuinely can't see shit with that sun. Whoa. Come on, red team! Push! You've got infinite lives! For fuck's sake!
Bye, both. Did you have a nice trip before? Saw that from up there.
I thought, well, I thought I'd slide in.
Yeah.
If I could get in
You got the baby to what I've got.
Literally just as my knee touched me.
I made my ears ring.
Oh, hate. And I was firing blanks. So clean it when you get home. Sorry, that was me rubbing up against you.
Fine, mate.
Did that taste good?
I recognise that taste, yeah. Let's go on your go, mate. We'll carry on playing Soggy Biscuit later.
Yes.
Guys. Yeah.
Just as I come for Soggy Biscuit, now you stop playing it. That's terrible.
Dude, we got the whole car right now.
Hey! Hey! Go on, CBFBC! Oh, I missed him. What? Don't let me down. What are you doing? Oh. Oh, gas is gone. I filled that fucker up and all. Me stealth operation went pants. Get that fucking get that in there. Close that. Stick that. Let's roll.
Sexy.
I'm so fucked. Cardio.
Tiring.
Need to do some cardio. How's it going, guys?
Yeah.
Having fun?
Yeah.
Sweet. Shooting into the sun, I can't see shit. High cap's boiling me piss. Fucking high caps.
Oh, I didn't drop it down there, mate. It's over here.
Keep going. See you.
I didn't even know sniper was there in that corner.
Yeah, I thought I was shooting the player, but I've just been swatting a marshal in his face mask for like 2 minutes.
Oh, great.
Yep. Well, what's going on? Dinosaurs?
Dinosaurs.
Yeah, I fucking love dinosaurs, alright, aren't they? No, I'm just going to respawn and come back in. Good shot again. I'm going to meet last fucking life already. Standing about like a fanny.
Can I go red team now?
Yeah.
Right.
Come on, we've got a couple of players. We need a red team.
Nice friends.
Yes, sir.
Oh, I nearly shot you in the tit then. Got a video from about 2007 on that wall.
Yeah.
2 of us just with saws, filmed on my flip phone.
Wow.
Okay, let's go back there.
Wow.
We lost the game even though we had 2 saws on that fucking fence there.
Hopefully not allowed to use trials. Yeah. So not let you use explosives, otherwise still explosives.
Check fire, shoot! That's it, boys. We lost. Chef, TVMPC TV.
Yeah, right! This is a bad beat. This is a chef gun mess. I'm going to leave that boy.
Red team, make a noise if you're still alive.